let's solve another easy math word problem involving percentage increase. And here's the problem. After increasing the price by 950 pesos, the price of laptop becomes 8,450 pesos. The question is, what is the percentage increase in the price of the laptop? Okay, to solve this problem, let's use the percentage increase formula. Again, we have the new value minus original value divided by original value times 100%. So let's start by identifying what's given in the problem. Let's identify the original value and the new value. And also, we need to know what is the increase. First, it says the price increased by 950 pesos. This is the amount of increase. Then it says the new price of the laptop is 8,450 pesos. So this is the new price after the increase. Now, to find the original price, we simply subtract the new price minus the increase. Again, we have the solution or the given from the problem. We have the original value, which is the original price. The new value is the new price. And we have the increase, which is increase in price. The increase in price is 950 pesos, while the new value is 8,450 pesos. Okay, the original value is unknown, or the original price is unknown. So we're going to find what is the original value. To find the original price, let's subtract the new price minus the increase. Okay, we have 8,450 pesos minus the increase, which is 950 pesos. So now the original price is 7,500 pesos. Since we already know the values from the given, we have the original value is 7,500, the new value is 8,450. Now let's substitute to the formula to find the percentage increase. We have new value is 8,450 pesos minus the original value, which is 7,500 pesos, divided by the original value, which is 7,500 pesos times 100%. Next, let's simplify. 8,450 minus 7,550 pesos is 950 pesos. And that is the increase. Divided by 7,500 pesos. Multiply by 100%. Okay, next, 950 pesos divided by 7,500 pesos times 100%. We have 0.1267. Okay, to get the percentage, we multiply it by 100. So 0.1267 times 100% is equal to 12.67% or 13%. The price of the laptop increased by 12.67% or 13%. Okay, so that is how to compute the original price and the percentage increase. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching. I hope this helped you.